in a danger zone on my Xbox. On my Xbox, that gets straight into this. Okay, I'm not on my A game today.
This level is so nice. Yes, but if it's
okay. So the reason I have not been posting lately is because I have been busy trying to figure out what games to play. And now I can finally play on my X. Like I learned how to play games on my Xbox. And then, yes sir, now we're here, boy. Now we're here. Did everyone in here choose Saltman? Yeah, everyone could be flipped. There was. Yeah. I don't know. Are we doing good or bad? Are we still one or like? Have we been doing good or bad? I don't care. I'm the stupid. Tell me how I'm gonna get past them. Tell me how I'm gonna get past them things shot out by a spider. Just tell me that. Tell me how you want me. You have me maneuver them, and then you got me shot by the spider thing. But we did it. I like to get my sword done first because, like, the sword is the best weapon in the game, in my opinion. Wait, can I do this? I'm going back to Xbox. I'm going back to my control. Okay, I tried keyboard and mouse for a few seconds. I tried to play keyboard and mouse for a few seconds. Big deal. How far can I go? No one knows except probably God, because I'm pretty sure I can see in the future. But oh no, so I really want to get back to posting again. But school is gonna be a pain to me for posting. Like, school is gonna be a pain. When I have to post a video, I'm gonna be in school. When I gotta post a video, I'm gonna be in school. Like,
I want to see Japan bombs. Maybe inflation is going to Pause and notice. A deadly combination. Also swings. Hooray!
oh, okay. I see this is going on. That's me on keyboard and mouse movie, and this is me on my Xbox controller movie. You might just think this is me just moving slower than I usually do, but now I'm back on my Xbox controller. You're weak now. Fight me. Well, you've been weak, but
Go human. What is this level supposed to be? Fire dust. Revenge on the Nagasoon. What? Another level we built while screaming.
Okay, I'm gonna wait. Oh, I have another one. Hammer boy. Even though I still like the sword more because the sword saved me in a lot more things. Like you don't know this because I never recorded on Xbox while doing while playing on while playing. But the sword literally saved my life. My controller. My controller just turned back on. My controller literally. That's impressive. That's impressive, boy. That's some impressive stuff, boy. I go down. Go up. Down. Where could the fire guy be? There you are. There you are. Yeah, I can't see. Okay, that's a bad aim. But my controller literally turned off. It then came back on. Oh, look who it is. The tool I died. I'm not gonna burn. I'm gonna worm. Why are they swinging? Okay. 1, 2, 3, let's go. My side is really my weak spot. No! They hit me in my weak spot. They hit me in my weak spot. Hey, feel.
I hope you like fake human. Fake. In your face.
Fake. That's the latest drop ever, but. Oh, perfect size. Hey, look at that animation. Hey, look at that stand. Okay, why put armor on him? You know he's just gonna die. Whoa. Whoa, why are you trying to kick?
It is some kind of wonder human.
I'm sure we could have tried to just cut the head off, but like.
Hammer time.
Hammer time.
Enjoy your last moments, human.
You mean my favorite moment? You don't notice what I actually did with a bunch of hammers. Hammer time. Under left. Boy, you need movement. You need movement. That's the side of my head. What then? Oh, if I did not have a sword, I'm pretty sure I would die. You dead. Oh. I don't know why it's so hard to hit him when it's standing still. But I was just looking at my phone for a second, then I died. Like the second I look at my phone, I just see from the corner of my eye what happened. And I carried again, but I don't, and I died.
Exterminated. Destroyed. The next level is beginning. Love it.
I be dominating, but I die. I be dominating in my fights, then it's just, I just die randomly. All I need is my fire him. Fire him. I know I have a fire sword out to this block, but I like to. Okay. Oh, yo, hey, yo. Hey, this might be the end. Oh, when the fire coming clutch. Fire not coming in clutch. No. You can't stop me, I'm blocking. Get over there to the spider. Yay. Nope. Well, okay. Boom. Angle, Sunday. Whoa, you can't. No, I'm trying to make you hit one. Okay, that's better.
Exterminated.
That fight was definitely scary. I was definitely scared in that fight of dying. Because I'm like, oh, I guess it's over now. And guess what happened? My little boy come out with the same. But the second I die, that's when I end the video. Unless my video time went out of, what was that? I'm dead. I'm dead. No, what? You gotta be real careful with those kickers. Because there's some kickers and some swords. Ooh. Bendable behavior. Bendable. Ooh. That's the end. That's the end. So, it had been fun. It had been fun. I think that's the end of the video right there. I think. Whoa. Yeah, so goodbye. This is how I end the video. This has been Malachi Prime, aka just Malachi. Bye.